A very warm welcome to you all here at our flagship research centre, ESIT, to be part of the workshop today.
This is the 60th anniversary of the technology area within Queen's.
Queen's has a great heritage of microwave and millimetre wave communications research spanning 6 decades, as well as the CWI is home to over 60 research scientists and engineers, all with world-leading expertise in physical layer wireless communications.
At the start of my career here, the head of the research group was Professor Carson Stewart, and Carson was very much responsible for training many of the leadership people that currently exist in the microwave community today.
Recently, Queen's was also ranked in the top 75 for telecommunications engineering by the Shanghai Global Ranking. I really can't see anywhere better placed to host this workshop.
It's an opportunity for us today to be looking at technologies that are going to shape our future.
The millimetre wave communications is a new type of communications where the wavelengths become very, very short, which means that you can build equipment that is much, much smaller. It can transfer data at a much, much higher rate than is currently available. So, for example, you could download an entire video within 1 or 2 seconds.
Millimetre wave communication is very important for 5G networks. At higher frequencies, we can avail of larger bandwidths. We can leverage super directive transmission and therefore minimize interference. That is a huge problem in conventional RF bands. My research group has been working on 5G enabling technologies for a number of years, primarily on massive MIMO. Massive MIMO is a technology that was originally developed by Thomas Marzetta in 2010. Back in the day, it was considered as a science fiction. But within a span of 7-8 years, it has already made its way to the 5G standardization activities. The main idea is to use hundreds of low-power antennas to serve dozens of users, and that is particularly important for the 5G era, simply because the number of devices that will be connected to cellular infrastructure will be something between 30 and 50 billion by 2025.
5G is much bigger than just wireless. Solving the problems that 5G and indeed the technologies would come after present very much require an interdisciplinary approach. We're very, very lucky here in ESIT that we're co-located with experts in security and also experts in AI, parallel computing, data analytics.
We are one of the premier centres in this technology in the world.